Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set up and customize a new Windows 11 PC or laptop. This video is aimed at those of you with a new Windows 11 device and will focus on what to do after following Windows' own setup process, which is nice and easy to follow if you haven't done it already. That means you should already be within Windows 11 and have the basics ready to go, like Wi-Fi. Use the chapters to navigate each part of the video, and remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into it. We'll begin by setting up and customizing the display. To do this, head to the main settings page by searching for it and then choose System from the left, but you should be in here by default. In the system settings, click on Display from the list and we'll begin by setting the correct resolution. You should choose the recommended option if it isn't already selected, but you may want to test a few out. Next, we can change how big the user interface will appear with the screen scale option. Again, you can try the recommended option, but you may find that things look better or easier to read with a bigger scale, or a smaller scale will allow you to see more items on the screen. You may want to set up a Nightlight in Windows 11 at the top. This can be set to lower the blue light at certain times of the day to reduce eye strain. Let's now move on to the sound settings. Go back to the system settings and this time choose sound. Within here you can select your chosen output device at the top by checking the box to the left of it. If you click once on your sound device, you can customize some of the settings. For ways to improve sound quality in Windows 11, click the card on screen now. Back on the main sound settings page, you can do the same for your microphone in the input section. First, choose your mic by checking the box to the left of it, and then you can customize things like the sensitivity by clicking on it. If you don't see your sound device in either the input or output section, scroll down and click on all sound devices and it should be on this list. Click on it once and then choose allow. It should now appear back in the main sound settings page and you can check the box next to it to make it active. Next, we'll focus on storage. Back in the system settings, click on storage from the list. In here you could set up Storage Sense. Storage Sense will help automatically clean certain folders on your PC to help free up space. It will empty the recycle bin and downloads folder as often as specified, which can help if you need extra space, but remember to check these folders so you don't delete anything you want to keep. We'll now move on to personalizing some of the options in Windows 11. In the settings, choose Personalization from the left. Firstly, you could choose one of the default themes at the top. If you wanted a more custom theme, click on Background to customize the desktop background. Select the type of background you want, and if you choose a picture, you can use a custom one by clicking on Browse Photos. Back in the personalization settings, next you can change your accent color in the colors section, and you can have a custom color if you want. Below the color choices, you can select where you want the color to appear. Next, you can choose or save your current setup as a theme. Below this, you can customize your lock screen and add a custom picture just like we did with the desktop background. It might also be helpful to customize the start menu and taskbar, which can be done in the personalization settings. For example, you can choose which apps you want to show on the taskbar. The next part of our setup will focus on apps. You may want to get a new browser and then set it as default, so we will now choose our default apps. This is not just for browsers, but for all file types in Windows 11. In the settings, click on Apps and then choose Default Apps. Within here, either find the file type or the current default app for the app or program you want to customize. For example, we can search for our current browser and then click on it. You will then need to change each of the options to the app you want to be default. Let's now move on to the next part of the setup. The next thing you might want to do if not set up already is change or add security to the lock screen. You may have added a pin in the setup, but you might want to change it or to a different unlock type. In the settings, click on Accounts and then Sign In Options. Within here, you should see all of the available lock screen sign-in types. Have a look and choose one that you want to add or change and follow the steps. You'll probably have to enter your current PIN. Next, we'll focus on Startup Apps. Startup Apps will automatically run every time you turn on your PC, and this may slow it down. Alternatively, you might want to make your most used apps run at startup so you can load into them faster. To enable or disable startup apps, head to the main settings page and choose Apps, and then Startup Apps. In here, look down the list for the apps you want to add or remove at startup and simply turn them on or off. The final settings you might want to customize can be found in the accessibility option of the main settings page. You can set up things like the text size, the visual effects, or the size and colour of the mouse pointer. All of these settings options are up to you. And so that is how to set up and customize a new Windows 11 PC or laptop. Have a look on my channel for more videos showing you how to set up devices such as a mouse, headphones, as well as many more. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.